Hello, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Thor Giddings, and I'm a Senior Solutions Architect here at AWS. Amazon CloudWatch is a great service you can use to centralize your application logs. Most .NET application developers have chosen either Log4Net or NLog as a logging framework. The great news is that you can very simply change your configuration file to send your logs to CloudWatch without changing your existing .NET application. Let's take a look. In my environment, I'm using the AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio. This allows me to interact with AWS resources and services without leaving the Visual Studio IDE. It isn't required, but it does make my development a lot easier and is available for Visual Studio versions from 2008 to 2019. So first, let's take a look at the NuGet packages that I'm using. AWS has created NuGet packages for all of its services and resources so that .NET developers can easily interact with AWS. You can see I added the aws.logger.log4net package and the aws.logger.nlog package in this sample application. This will allow me to log directly to CloudWatch without the need to write any new code. So if I take a look at my NLog config file, you will see that I added a new target called AWS of type AWS target. I specify the log group, that's the CloudWatch log group that I want to log to, and the region that I want to use. Then in my logging rules, I go ahead and add in my new target in the write to section. Similarly, for Log4Net, if I take a look at the Log4Net.config file, I've added an appender called AWS with a type of aws.logger.log4net.aws appender and aws.logger.log4net. And then I add a reference for the appender called AWS. Okay, so let's take a look at what the sample application does. So quite simply, all it's going to do is do an example of logging with NLog and logging with Log4Net. So in here you can see in the NLog section, I'm just going to write a couple of sample messages. And then in the Log4Net section, I'm going to write a couple of sample messages. And you can see I'm not doing anything specific to AWS in my code. All I'm doing is getting a reference to the logger and logging some messages. So let's go ahead and run this code. Okay. Now if I go to the AWS console to view the CloudWatch logs, I go into the CloudWatch service, click on logs, and I can see here is my NLog example, and you can see the example messages that I've sent. And then similarly for Log4Net, you can see the example messages that I've sent. It's just that easy to start using CloudWatch with Log4Net and NLog in your .NET applications. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Thanks again for watching.